Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are ready to go. And we're looking good on all fronts right now. My gosh. We got Ryan the Rapper. What? First in the chat. Frank, man, what's going on? Ryan the Rapper, Frank, Southpaw Slinger. We got J-Bones, baby. Ryan the Rapper, Ray De Silva. Good news, gig new. First to say first. There he is. DD214. Glad to have all you guys in here right now. Let's check the markets out and see what's happening because, man, oh man, AMC and GameStop. What a volatile day today. Prices in the crypto world looking good. Slothana still looking good. Katamoto on a little buy the dip mentality right now. We actually got a lot of good stuff going on out there. So let's take a look at it and check it out. Shiba Inu Coin, well, we don't need Shiba Inu Coin at the top left, but we got SHIB up 0.13%, sitting right around that 23.33 level. GameStop, man, a 61% gain today to end the day at 49.25. Currently sitting at about 48.83. SHIB 23.33 right there. You got AMC down on the bottom left. AMC sitting at, what is this right here? 6.89 at the close. 32% gain on the day today after a nice rally off that $6 low right there towards the end, but a $5.85 low earlier today. Another major gain as AMC is looking very strong there. Overall, NASDAQ, you guys can see in the top left right now. It's a little weird because I'm used to saying the bottom left, but the NASDAQ finishing 0.75% higher today. Dogecoin, 14.6 cents, down just slightly. Ethereum, down just slightly. SHIB's actually up slightly. Bitcoin sitting at 61,600. The SPY sitting at 523. QQQ 445. Mullen Auto 613. Mullen Auto doing pretty well today, but I still wouldn't touch it. Sundial doing very well today. 9% gain in Sundials. Look at the bottom left again, man. You got Netflix 613, MPW 584, Tesla 177, Amazon 187, and 187 on Apple as well. Very strong performance by the meme stocks that are out there. AMC, GameStop, man, oh man, they could be making a comeback. I don't know. I'm excited if people stay excited. If people fall back into the mentality that Adam Aaron is their daddy, well, not mine. Not mine. We're just going to put it that way. Not mine. So we're going to have to see and wait, wait and see how that plays out there. Drew, good afternoon to you. Kindly tell about Pepe. Well, let's take a look at and see what Pepe's doing today. I'm here, most importantly. Kalito, that is the most important. Probably looking up videos on Golden Girls. Somebody, me? Yeah. That's what I was doing. Kindly tell about Shiba. Kindly tell about Shiba. Kindly tell about Pepe. Let's do it. Wanted to invest in the Philip Company. I see there are more inventions by them spreading all over the United States, but I can't invest because Robinhood doesn't accept them. Oh, Robinhood's not the only investment app out there, man. Bought Tesla at like $280. Well, the good news is Tesla can go back up to $280 per share. The also good news is you're allowed a dollar cost average down into your Tesla, or depending on how many shares you have, you can sell covered calls against them and generate some income as you wait. Let's see here. What were we doing? Oh, Pepe. You wanted to see Pepe. Well, let's just take a look and see where Pepe's at. Sloth on, sitting at 4.47 or 4.7 cents. Sorry. Pepe. Oh, Pepe number one. Pepe sitting at 10.54, a $4.4 billion market cap. Right here, man, testing these all-time highs and still looking very strong. Going into resistance at all-time highs like it is ready to break out and move higher. Dude, I think it's going to be crazy if Pepe is able to rip through, just triple in price from here and be testing Shiba Inu Coin. That is nuts, guys. That is absolutely nuts. Pepe looking very strong there. Litecoin will take over. Jimmy, a lot of people would agree with you with that. Let's see. I guess I'm not tripping on Shiba Inu because I've loaded up when it was 5 zeros. Giovanni. That is probably the best time that anybody could ever load up on Shiba Inu Coin. 5 zeros, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're still doing very well. I mean, you need to see like a 60% decline before you would even break even, man. Let's see, Michael Allen. We got Michael Allen in the chat right now. Oh, yes, we do. Bob Ross, that's who it is. Do you have any thoughts on Filecoin? Yeah. No, I don't have any thoughts on Filecoin, actually. Filecoin is not one that gets mentioned too often. It's a rather large coin, but not something that gets mentioned too often. So $3 billion market cap. Dude, my thoughts on Filecoin? Relatively strong level of support, right? Down here, the $3 level would be an excellent buy-in opportunity. But are we going to reach $3 again? I don't know about that. But, dude, between $3 and $5 here has held up as very, very strong support over the last 2 bear markets that Filecoin has been involved in. Will we see 2021 rally levels? Hey, man, yes, we could. I don't know if we're guaranteed to see those levels or not, but you need to be aware, okay? March of 2021, when the price was spiking to its all-time high, the market cap was at about $11 billion, $11.5, $12 billion here. Today, it's at about $3 billion. So if you're looking at the amount of Filecoin in existence now, you have to understand that market cap was the all-time high. So you would see roughly a 4x increase to get back up to its all-time high, not a 30x increase like the price would show. So more Filecoin in existence would lead to a higher market cap right now. And even though the price action looks very, very good there, because more are in existence, you would see a 4, maybe 5x increase to get back up to its all-time high that it had in 2021. So just be aware that that's what you're going to be looking at on Filecoin there. Litecoin is better. There you go, man. Please leak the pumping date. Apollos, if I could leak the pumping date, I would leak the pumping date, man. I would make us all millionaires in here. But I have no idea. Nobody does. That is why it is so important to take profits when you are comfortable with them. You know, you look at Slothana, right? And I hope, if I missed out, if I made a mistake on Slothana, I have every opportunity to get back in right now. But I took profit on Slothana yesterday, okay? For those that are still in it, I do hope that it continues to run. 10 cents is my next target. But me, just being a little bit selfish and a little bit more greedy, I hope that it falls back down so that I can get back in on another dip, because I do believe in Slothana mid to long term. So, you know, I have no idea. But what I do know is that Slothana ran beautifully. You can see the graph right there at the top of the screen. Slothana ran beautifully over the last week. I took advantage of the pump. It could absolutely pump higher, and maybe I missed out on some extra gains, but I booked a lot of gains. And you guys can do the exact same thing. So whenever you are comfortable with the amount that you are holding, you should be considering booking your profits, right? Slothana has led to the potential now for a lot of new opportunities. And I'm very grateful for that. I think that's going to be awesome. It's opened a lot of doors, and I'm going to walk through every single one of them. Let's see. Daniel, use your superpowers. Pump will be soon. Soon. The pump is going to be soon. That's the best I got. I used my superpowers there, and we got it. So maybe 1.5. Your ex-wife made that statement. Oh, Litecoin used to be life. Maybe Litecoin used to be life, but not. Or Litecoin used to be life, but not anymore. Man. Let's see. I doubled my money on it in 2 months. Bob Ross. Oh, Bob Ross. Hey, very good, Bob Ross. Double your money on it, man. I like it. Dark Bro needs to get rich so he can buy me that Ferrari that he owes me. Let's see where Dark Bro... Did Dark Bro get any sales on that coin? I didn't buy into it, but... Dude, he freaking killed it before, so I don't know. I still don't understand how this works. Has anybody ever used this before? For Thune coin? I mean, this is not that big of a move. It's a 5-minute chart, and this red candle here takes it from 297 to 291, but I don't even think that's a percent there. I have no idea how this website works. $771,000. Right, what's the price? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 2-9. What's $100 get you? I don't understand how $100 would get you 3 billion when only 700 million are available. You got me, man. I really don't understand how that token or the funding of the liquidity pool works there. Has anybody used that website before? Well, what are you holding that's more on the stable side, if you don't mind me asking? Solana, Ethereum, BNB. But my major hold is USDT. So I do have the very large coins out there that I can go and buy in now. I traded my Slothana for Solana, right? So if we're talking about not stable coins, my majority of my holding is in stable coins. So the larger coins that I hold with the larger, I guess, allocation towards assets, Solana, Ethereum, and BNB. The vast majority of my crypto is in USDT. The littler coins, it is pretty stable right now. That's a good amount. Katamoto. Katamoto and Slothana were kind of running together there for a while, and I took profit on Slothana. Dogeverse, I have bought in pretty heavy to the Dogeverse pre-sale, so I expect to do well on that. So hopefully Dogeverse does very well upon launch. And WienerDog AI, I've got WienerDog AI. I've not bought into Solana yet, but I will be buying into Solana as well. I don't know. I'm doing a video on Solana tonight, but these guys they kicked it up. I don't know if it's going to auto-update. Yeah. So, auto-updated here, man. These guys were at 500,000 yesterday. They're at 843,000 today. So, people are starting to pay attention to Solana because Slothana has done so well. So, very, very similar. These guys are kind of ripping... these guys are kind of like ripping artwork and stuff from... South Park and things like that. But, dude, they've been doing like $50,000 to $25,000 to $50,000 a day in sales. Rather low, but yesterday it was $300,000. So these guys are absolutely picking up. If you guys want to buy Solana, Dogeverse, WienerDog AI, any of that stuff that I talk about pre-sale wise, please just use the link that's in the description of my videos for it. It is an affiliate link. The marketing company is going to know that you guys, not you specifically, they're not going to be able to do anything with that. But it's from the marketing company that works with these projects. And not only am I going to get credited with clicks and stuff like that, and it's going to help me out, you guys are going to be sure that you're clicking on the correct website instead of connecting to some scam website. Zcash is pretty stable. Brian, I was sitting outside on my patio this afternoon, and I'm sitting there thinking, dang, man, you know, Zcash the last time it was down at these $20 levels, 15x'd to $300 during 2021. Dude, if I could just, I could load up on Zcash right now. Could I expect another 15x increase in Zcash? Should I go load up on Zcash right now, being at 23 or 22 or whatever it's at today, dollars per coin? Could I really 15x again? I didn't do it, but I'm thinking about loading up on some Zcash, man. I am. What's up, BC Bolka? Who that? That ain't me. Come on now. One of my wallets was phishing. Can anyone tell me if it's possible for me to get it back, all of my coins? Greg, I do not know. Right? If you lost your coins to a hack or something, I don't know the best route to go about that. So if there is somebody in here that can help Greg out, please help Greg out. Are you poop today? Like, are I poop today? I know our poop any day, but if you're asking, did I? Who hasn't? Strange. Michael Allen. Mike, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Michael Allen says, also, when Raikoff Lunk video, Clay, do it. Do it. Do it. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Michael Allen. Mike, man, thank you very much for the fist bump. Thank you very much for the super chat. And thank you very much for the question. Dude, I am telling you right now, it might look like I'm not as busy as I was before because I'm posting 3 videos per day as opposed to 4 videos per day. But you can't forget, I'm also posting another video per day on that other channel as well. So I am at peak level of busyness. And you'll notice a lot of them are pre-sale videos. So a lot of them are sponsored content and they got to take priority. So just being dead serious, man. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pump out a Lunk video or Raikoff video in the midst of all of this. So I want to be very honest with you. It is like insane level busyness. And when I said I was sitting out on the patio earlier, right, you could easily mistake that to mean that I was just sitting out there with my eyes closed, doing nothing. But I was watching AMC and GME graphs. I was looking up stuff on Slothana and Sealana so that I could do the video for this evening, and kind of doing the research outside as opposed to doing the research inside, since it's a nice day outside today. So they are very, very busy days right now. Let's see. Zcash can't get any worse. So, yeah, you know what, Brian? You're right, man. You're right. Zcash hasn't been any worse than it is right now since 2017. So think about that. I don't even know what that is. Man. 7 years. It hasn't been any worse than it is, I think, ever. And it has set up a very strong bottom at these $20 lows. So, yeah, dude, a lot of money could be made in Zcash. I missed my first super chat. I would never. Michael Allen. Thank you very much for the super chat. I did miss it there. Raikoff chart. Let's take a look, Clay. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Look at the Raikoff chart right here. We have got... Oh, here it is. We've got very similar performance to what we had earlier in the day today. Raikoff sitting right now at a beautiful rocket ship green, ripping to that $8.45 million fully diluted value there. $30,600 in the liquidity pool. I mean, dude, this chart just screams strength right now. There's nothing on this chart that indicates any level of weakness. A nice rally, okay. A double tap, a triple tap, and finally a break of that resistance level down there at way too many zeros and a 1-3. Came up, had 1 day worth of hesitation, or just, it wasn't even a full day, it was just one wick up here, and then maybe the hourly chart or something, providing a slight level of resistance at the 34. Dude, ripping through that like it didn't even exist, currently sitting at the resistance that it's formed over the last 4 days, here at way too many zeros and an 8. But what's it doing? Tabbing it, creeping up, tabbing it, creeping up, tabbing it, wanting to break, tabbing it, creeping up. Nothing but green lines going into it, man. So everybody seems to be holding very, very strong right now and gearing up to break this resistance and move even higher from there. So a lot of strength, a lot of positivity in that Raikoff chart right there. And Michael Allen, man, very, very sorry that I missed the first super chat. I would never do that on purpose. I swapped some money to the wrong Slothana. It looks the same, and it has the same name. Pepe. I don't know if what you swapped for was a honeypot. Sometimes people just create fake tokens, right? And they don't necessarily honeypot you, but it happens, man. It happens. You are right. There are a lot of slothonas out there. There are a lot of Katamotos out there. There are a lot of downright dirty fool idiots out there who are trying to take your money. Look, dude, I literally have zero respect for people that are trying to steal from you, people trying to steal from me. If you're a thief in the chat right now, dude, you're the lowest of the low. I mean, it just is what it is. You are the scum, just worse, right? At least Pond Scum provides food and provides nourishment to animals out there that can eat it. People who steal, people who tear down and break apart, as opposed to building up and providing, there's no place. So with that being said, man, there are a lot of scams out there in the cryptocurrency space. Be very careful what you click on. Be very careful what you connect your wallets to and so on. That is why if you're buying into Slothon, if you're buying into Dogeverse, if you're buying into Solana, you can take your chances and go out there and Google it if you don't want to use my affiliate link. But, dude, I double check and triple check everything, and I have still bought in to some scam projects and some honeypots before that are absolutely pathetic. So you're not the only one. Life moves on. You know, you're going to make it back. But, dude, the guys that are stealing from you, absolute losers. It should be H-Tex, so people know. Something should be. But AMC, after watching your video this morning, Johnny, man, listen, I was outside watching AMC and GameStop. I was watching its chart all afternoon. I didn't pull the trigger on it yet, but here's what I'm seeing. Okay, kind of like the behind-the-scenes YouTube analytics-wise. Some people leaving some negative comments saying, "Oh, this video aged well." Yeah, dude, if you've never seen any price volatility before. But really, what I want to engage want to gauge from the YouTube video on AMC and some of my posts on X today. Number one, what are people in the AMC community focused on right now? If they're still focused on Adam Aaron and debt relief for AMC, I'm not going to be touching it. I'm not going to be adding anymore. If people who are watching the video and engaging with these X posts are committed to a squeeze, if they're here for round two, if they're loyal to Roaring Kitty, if it's 4 price increases and just a retail revolution, I think we could do what we did in 21. So knowing that, one of the analytics measures that YouTube points out is how much volume was coming from like subscribers, YouTube watch page, search volume, and so on. The majority of my views on that AMC video were coming from search volume, which means, and there was a 10% click-through rate, which means that it was 9.97, but I'm just rounding that to 10 in case you guys are worried about analytics. Which means that there are a lot of people right now, 20,000 people searching for AMC stock just over the last few hours, and it was at the time, 2,000 of them at the time had clicked to watch that video. So it's not what we had in 2021 during the rally. But dude, if I post another one tomorrow and things start to grow a little bit and people are still, I guess, excited, it could be round two, man. It could be round two, but not if they're worshiping Adam Aaron. I'm not touching it. Let's see. Did you hear about those halts with AMC and GameStop? Johnny, I was watching it all day today, man. I saw at least like 6 or 7 halts. Tire prices, like everything else, are crazy. $427 per set, maybe. Let's see. Truck tires getting stupid expensive. $427 each. Yeah, Moji, man. I got tires on the Kia. $150 a piece. And then, you got to pay for installation and all that stuff. But, dude, some tires are just ridiculous, man. $427 per tire is insane, man. For the first time, Michael Allen, I'm marking my calendar. I know I missed something with Michael Allen there. OG, you got some respect for me. There you go. There you go. I've never been rugged or scammed. I know it can happen, but just pay attention to what I'm doing, and I use my bros' links. Includes pre-sales. And I only invest if I can afford to lose. Yeah, Matt, absolutely, man. So, you know, some of the annoying things out there when you do get rugged or when you get scammed like that. Scammed, I've bought a honeypot before, right? I bought a honeypot before. But it's easier than people make it seem. You do have to do a lot of due diligence and a lot of research, and then there's just a little luck sprinkled in there as well. So Mats, man, very, very nice. If you're seeing a lot of the new tokens pop up on Dex Tools and you're ever just trying to make some quick money on them, make the quick money on them, because a lot of them drop back down to zero very, very quickly. Scossum! Thank you for the super chat. Scossum says, people are out here buying stocks, but I'm out here buying stonks, baby. Scossum, this is the type of super chat that reminds me heavily of 2021. Okay, this is the type of stuff that I am talking about here, that if we see just a resurgence of people coming into these live streams saying things like Scossum is saying right here, if your mom and dad start asking you about AMC stock and GameStop and memes and stuff, dude, we could be ready for round 2. I mean, my gosh, the only difference this time, guys, take your stinking, oh my god, don't make me grab you by the neck. Take your stinking money and run. At some point, right? At some point. We're not holding anything back down until Adam Aaron puts us in a coffin. Clever with 186 people in here in the live stream. All I want for my birthday is for 100 people to send 1 share each of Race so that I can play covered calls. Let's see what Race is. And by the way, Frank, man, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Frank. Happy birthday to you. Dang, man, an AMC throwing the volatility out in full swing this afternoon. AMC setting up 9% after hours alone there. Race. All right. Ooh-wee. All right, so Frank, just $41,000, and you'll be good. So what do the calls look like on Race here? Calls for May 17th, 3 days from now, the 4/11s. I will say this, Frank. I don't know. I think you can actually do better playing the covered calls on it. I get it. $41,000 worth of Race would be very nice here, but, you know, looking at this, you're selling a covered call here for $4.25, $4.30, and you're making 10 cents, right? What is this? Let's go 1% out, $4, right? The 4.15s, 1% out. Let's go 10% out. Let's go 10% out. $40, 4.50s. Dude, you're making 5 cents, right? Let's check this out. You want to get stupid right now. AMC, the calls here are really dumb. The implied volatility is nuts in these stocks. You want to go 10% out on AMC. Well, these prices are going to be using the close. So 685, 1% out, 750. Dude, $1.69. You could be making like 0.01%, or you could be making, jeez, man, I don't know, nearly 30%. Take the 30%. Take the 30%, man. 733. AMC is doing very well after hours still. Insane chart right here. Insane pullback. But, dude, the growth is still there, and people still seem to be excited. Shiba Inu Coin throwing a big old purple line on the screen right now. What is Shiba Inu Coin doing? It's not even following Bitcoin, man. Just throwing a big purple line of its own out there. Oh, that's bizarre. Look at this. You guys can see SHIB, but look. I mean, GameStop, you guys see GameStop right there. GameStop isn't even moving down like that. It's just SHIB. That is a little strange. That is a little strange. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's see. Is it a good time to load up on more T-Man coin or wait for it to go down? But what if he says something about crypto again? If he says something about crypto again, yes, it would have been an excellent time to load up on T-Man coin. Me, I'm waiting for it to come back down to load up more. If T-Man coin goes up to that, my T-Man coin that I'm buying, I'm not talking about the Ethereum one, I'm talking about that Solana one. If it bounces back up to the 4,000 or 40 point or 400 point, whatever you're calling it there, that level I showed you this morning, that level of resistance, very good chance that I'm taking some profit there and letting it ride back down. Me personally, I don't think we're in the heat of it yet. So I do think that whether or not it comes down right now and you're looking at the perfect buy-in opportunity, I don't think we're in the heat of it yet. So I think that he's still got a lot of potential to run a lot higher from the current levels. It's just that if things do die down for a couple days, man, or a couple weeks, or if he doesn't say something about it for a while, people, they just very quickly forget what is going on, and they are committed to absolutely nothing. So, yes, please keep that in mind. It could be an excellent time to buy in, but there could be better times to buy in as well. Yeah, man, back then, trucks were trucks and trees were trees. That they were. Shiba Inu only burning. Abdul Razak Kazai. Yes, man. I wish that Shiba Inu coin would only be burning and burning and burning. But it's Ferrari. It is Ferrari, man. It is Ferrari. But we don't care about 0.01% call options. Frank, if you were making 0.01% on all your call options right now, you'd be making about $1.30 a week. Nobody cares about $1.30 a week, man. We want to see, a month. Nobody cares about $1.30 a month, Frank. We want to see that $1,300 a month. You got it, man. You got it. Do it, Frank. What did I miss? Isaiah, you didn't miss nothing, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you being in here. Appreciate that super chat. And now we can actually get started. You missed nothing because we were waiting on you. So now that you're in here, we can get started. Isaiah, first in the chat. Glad to have you, man. We can do a little market review right now. AMC in the middle left-hand side of the screen, sitting at about $7.50 after hours. Shiba Inu Coin down at the bottom, or middle right-hand side of the screen, sitting down on the day now, 0.5% after two very large purple candles for some reason, even though Bitcoin not posting the same candles. So Shiba Inu Coin falling off on its own there. GameStop up 10% after hours to $53. AMC up 8% after hours to $7.41. Positive action in the stock market, positive action in the crypto market, positive action in the meme market, ladies and gentlemen. That's what's got me so excited. That's what's got me so excited. Look, when AMC and GameStop ripped, GameStop was a little before AMC back in January of 2021. And when they ripped, and when AMC jumped from like $2 to $20 a share, that was a very exciting time. But it was not the peak of the movement, okay? People, they were intrigued at that time, and they were looking and wondering what was going on. But it wasn't when the real gains came. The real gains were several months later when AMC ran up to $70 per share from that $4 per share mark that it had come back down to after that initial rally. AMC and GameStop created some sort of a meme movement and really paved the way for meme coins like Dogeverse, like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu Coin, and all of the meme coins that followed them. Guys, I don't know, right? I don't know if we're going to have the same level of disposable income that we had in 2021 when people were just spending stimulus checks and child tax credits and all of that stuff because they had a lot of fake news money coming in that they did not technically earn. It's just stimulus, right? To stimulate the economy, and they stimulated meme coins and meme stocks. So I don't know where the money is going to come from this time around. But I do know that people watched it last time. People sat on their hands. People said, oh my God, I missed out. If I ever get the chance again, I am jumping in on this full send, man. I'm just going. So we really could be gearing up for a meme stock and meme coin rally. With that being said, I'm even more committed now to seeing meme coins like these new pre-sales doing very, very well. Now, you guys know my strategy. If I see those gains on launch day, I don't have a problem pulling the trigger and capitalizing on those gains. But a lot of them that are just more than memes, I also have no problem buying back in and riding those higher. So, yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm hoping memes do make a comeback. Let's see. When Moaz. Soon Moaz. Pudgy. Checked Merlin chain coin. Lakshia. Let's look at it, man. Looking like all my MPW shares will be called away unless the in-the-money rolling still provides good premiums. Otherwise, I have to decide if I'll sell the cover or the cash secured puts or move to another play. Yeah, dude, MPW, where was it at today? MPW actually looked pretty good. MPW 585 today. That's not bad at all. Yesterday it was the rally that took place, or maybe this morning, to 650, man. Dang, man. MPW going from 2 days ago, $4, 460 to 650. MPW making some moves over there. All right. Oh, Merlin. That's what I was going to look at. Merlin? Merlin chain? Is that what he said? I don't know which one you're talking about. Are you talking about this one? On Solana? This one on base? No, I'm not talking about this one. You talking about this one on base? I hope not. It hasn't even traded. I have no idea which one you're talking about. Oh, let's see where Pingu's at, man. Katamoto, 57.28. I very, very likely could be adding more to get that nice round number on Katamoto. I still believe in Katamoto, man. I do. I still believe in Katamoto there. Katamoto is not yet launched on Solana Network. Pingu! This is the other one that launched on the Katamoto Catapult today. $30,000 market cap for anybody that got an allocation. You might be looking at this chart and saying, it's a scam coin, right? Well, maybe if you bought in up here, it might look like it. But dude, if you got that $30,000 market cap allocation, you're still up 10% at these current prices. So, guys, if you want to participate in that, all you got to do is buy Katamoto. Okay? Katamoto is relatively cheap right now. It's only an $11 million market cap, and these guys have a lot of followers out on X, a lot of engagement, and they got a lot going on in terms of partnerships, exchange listings, and so on. Come over to the Katamoto website. From the Katamoto website, you're going to click on Catapult. I'll just click on it. I already have it open here, but you can click on Catapult. From there, you're going to see these projects that they've got going on. These are the two that ended. The total raise, $26,000. Lucky Limu, $13,000. It is absolutely crazy, right? The all-time high was a 50x increase on Lucky Limu. Pingu, right here, You guys bought in at a $30,000 market cap, and it is currently trading at that $450,000 market cap. So you're looking at 15x gains there. After you grab your Katamoto, you can't click on this stuff right now since there's none that are live. But when it says coming soon, all you're going to do is open it up, view the details or whatever, allocate your Katamoto towards the pre-sale, and then on claim day, or launch day, you're going to go claim your Pingu, or you're going to go claim your Lucky Limu, or whatever the next one's called. And then, you know, your allocation, you might only end up with a $1, $2, $5 allocation, but who the heck cares, man? If you sit there on every single one of these and you 40, 50x gain, $2, $3, $4, you're going to be making a couple $100 a week just on these stupid little allocations. So Katamoto has a lot of utility that a lot of people are just overlooking right now. And I actually can't believe that the price is only sitting in an $11 million market cap. I do think that's undervalued for Katamoto. But that's just my 2 cents. I don't know what you guys think about it. Let's see where Slothana's at, since that's been doing so stinking well lately. We will watch Slothana into the afternoon here. I'm bringing the classics back. Do it, Pudgy. Do it. And a lot on tires. Something. MPW, a.k.a. another boring Frank play. Yeah, another boring Frank play that's just up 100% over the last couple of months. How high does AMC have to go for Trapper to come back? Trapper's probably sitting in here listening right now. AMC Trapper, are you here? Please make our day. AMC as a company sold shares yesterday, I believe I read. Yes. AMC, they finished up the latest round of that offering yesterday, Monday, either into the close or shortly after hours. They finished that up. I think it was 72 or 75 million shares they had sold total. Dude, this guy is such an idiot. For an average price of $3.40. Adam Aaron cannot resist the urge to take your money and dilute AMC stock. Now, I don't know if they've got to file for another round of dilution or what the actual details are on that. But yes, they finished up that round, 72, 75 million shares, a total raise of about $250 million that went into Adam Aaron's pocket as he potentially stifled the price of AMC from rising from $5, $6 yesterday to closing the day at $10, $15 yesterday, which would have taken today to maybe a $30, $40 price point. So, yeah, you did read that, J-Bones. You read that correctly. Listing corrected. Installed with warranty 600 and oh my gosh. Moji, I don't know what kind of tires you're getting, man, but you should, yeah, you definitely need a discount, man. You definitely need a discount. My goodness. If not, Moji, let me get an affiliate link. Let me get an affiliate link, and then let me give it to you for them tires there. You or use your own stinking affiliate link, man. You might be able to rip 10% on that sale. You might walk away with an extra $240 by selling yourself the tires. So, dude, don't go buy $700 tires without getting your own affiliate link or doing something there, man. Also, I did notice I was looking at Amazon tires. So I don't know if you do want to go with Goodyear, Firestone, or whatever tires, but dude, like I told you, $150 for the tires, right? And that didn't include installation. $150 for the tires for that Kia, but you can get tires for Kia Fortes for $67 on Amazon. Then of course you got to find somebody to install them. But dude, just go to a stinking tire shop. You don't have to go to Firestone or Goodyear or whatever when you're getting them installed. But dude, you might be able to find those same tires on Amazon for $180 instead of $650. So make sure you check that, and make sure you use the affiliate link for Amazon if you do. But yeah, man, don't pay $650 per tire. And definitely check Amazon if you want. Adam Aaron is just going to turn on the printer again and print more shares to dilute. Dude, see, that's the thing. I don't know where he is in terms of total dilution. I believe he had the ability. It's been so long since I've looked up the numbers. I believe he had the ability to take AMC to like 500 million shares. Shares outstanding, 295 million. Yeah, I don't think it was 350 million shares. I think he could take it all the way to 500. Okay. Yeah. All right, let me just show you guys this. All right, so this is directly from AMC's website. It might be a little bit difficult to read, but I'm going to move the screen around. Clearly, you guys can go check it out for yourself as well. So this is AMC's balance sheet right here. I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom. And you might not be able to read it too well, but I'm going to read it to you. It says, Class A common stock with a 1 cent par value. 550 million shares authorized. 263 million shares issued and outstanding as of March 31st. 550 million shares authorized. So 550 million shares authorized. And there are more outstanding now. So that was as of March 31st. According to Webull, as of today, there were 290... Where'd the number go? 295 million shares outstanding. And Webull's probably not updated from yesterday. So he sold even more shares yesterday, which means that it might be around the 300 million number. He can still dilute the snot out of this stock. So please just be aware of that. He can take that stock all the way up to 550 million shares outstanding. I don't know if he has to file for another round of dilution. I don't know that part, but he's got the authorization to sell essentially and double the amount of shares outstanding for AMC right now. So, not only are you facing the hedge funds, not only are you facing other retail investors who are going to be taking their profits, you're facing Adam Aaron, the guy that's going to be taking you and robbing you first to the tune of another, I don't know, almost 300 million shares. So please keep that aware. Please keep that in mind. Let's see. But that gives you guys perspective, right? So like Jay Bones was saying, he's going to turn the printer on and dilute. He absolutely can. He absolutely can. Let's see. Smash the like button. No spam. Keep the comments respectful. Heck yeah, guys. Frank, man, thank you very much for that. Listen to Frank, ladies and gentlemen. Listen to Frank. Gonna come back out here. Watch Sloth, 4.7 cents. Katamoto, man. I don't know why you guys are sleeping on Katamoto. You need to pump that price of Katamoto. There's only $700,000 in the liquidity pool right now. $700,000 in the liquidity pool is baby money for Katamoto, man. Baby money. Check out Kendu Army's Alpha yet. I have not. Lol, it's a meme. Oh, laugh out loud, it's a meme. Gotcha. I thought Lolly TSA meme. Alright, well, whatever it is. A Rappler are hard AF to find and cheap. Something. We talking about tires still? Bro, did you add a Dogecoin or Shibarium address so I can tip you on some... Nope, Crypto Master. I've actually not added any cryptocurrency addresses. Dude, thank you very much for wanting to do that. I do sincerely appreciate that. I don't know if you guys want me to drop an address in the descriptions of the lives or the videos so that you could tip. I will. But that is, dude, I feel bad enough, right, with super chats and Streamlabs chats and all of that stuff turned on. I don't want it to be like you have to tip me or you have to do anything or you have to pay to see a chart on the screen or anything like that. So Crypto Master, no, I have not added anything. but I also know that you guys are going to be making some serious money over the coming weeks, months, and over the coming year with this bull market rally. So, dude, it might make sense. I'm not telling you guys to send it, but, dude, if you want to send it, man, send it, right? Like, Adam's track record proves he would never do that to us. Again, and again, and again. Dude, the wild thing DD214 is, I've been reading through people's comments on X today. They want him to do it. I have no idea how hard these people got hit in the head or Stockholm Syndrome. I have no idea how Stockholm Syndrome set in with these people over the course of the last 3 years. But now they are like cheering him on to take their money for AMC. It's insane to me, man. It's insane. Any thoughts on the potential of Fubo TNT will no longer have the rights to the NBA sounds like they can stream? What's Doge Catcher? Dude, I do not follow Fubo close enough. Okay, my brother actually really likes Fubo. He's made a lot of money trading Fubo. So he'd be the dude to ask about that. I don't follow Fubo news at all. I really don't follow sports news at all. So unfortunately, man, I'm not the guy. I don't know anything about Fubo or sports. So I unfortunately don't know what they got going on, man. And very, very sorry about that, but I just want to be honest with you. Let's see. Boston Guy, thank you very much for the super chat. Boston Guy says, I'll tip regardless. Check out Kendu Consolidation, SHIB magazine feature in the works. Just look at Satoshi following the X account. Boston Guy, thank you very much for that super chat. Kendu, supported by Satoshi himself. Dude, listen, you know what? I would really appreciate all these Kendu guys rolling in here right now. I'd appreciate it if you got your name at the top of the screen by clicking the subscribe button as well. But thank you guys very, very much for coming in with some super chats along with that support right there. It's one of the best ways that you guys can do it. One of the most respectful ways that you guys can come in and spam as well. So let's check out Kendu on the chart and see what Kendu Inu, right, is doing right now. Kendu sitting here. It's been out for 2 months, down a little bit, 10% on the day today. $37.85 million market cap. We got to look at the daily chart, though, because it still looks beautiful. And you know what? Let's just mark this up real quick. So, Kendu here. You guys can see absolute wild rally over the last several days and weeks here. But it is setting up support. So, it's very important to note a couple things. Horizontal support in this area right here with the candles. Coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. Now, you may have a horizontal level of support in this area right here. Which, okay, wick down, almost wick down. But if you take this away, you can actually see that it's still following its ascending trend line. So, Kendu Inu, man, still doing very well. Even though it had an exponential run here that took it far away from this ascending trend line, and the volatility is picking up as volume and new traders are coming in. Look at this. Following it, rips up, comes back down to the ascending trend. Rips up, comes back down to the ascending trend. Rips up, comes back down. Now, this is actually a very significant level of support right here because it's the intersection of both the ascending trend line and the horizontal support. So, look, I don't know anything that you guys have going on inside of Kendu Inu or inside the community or upcoming projects or anything like that. I have no idea. All I can see is the chart, right? And if anybody else wants to go read the SHIB magazine, see the feature, see more about Kendu Inu, please do so. But I can see the chart right now. And dude, this actually looks like a very, very strong level, bouncing off of it, with the intersection of the ascending trend line and the horizontal support line right there. So, dude, if it doesn't break down through here, I think you guys are looking pretty solid right now. Of course, you to the upside or to the resistance side, you can also see that there's a slight descending trend line taking place, which may cause you to wedge as you consolidate into this area. It may cause you to wedge here and then hopefully break out to the upside, but you are dealing with a little bit of a descending trend line leading up and hopefully breaks out on that ascending trend line. So, yeah, man, just looking at the technicals right now, you guys are looking pretty solid. I have no idea what you're doing in terms of community engagement, but thank you guys very much for the super chats and, you know, doing it the right way. Doing it the right way to come out and spam and send some super chats and stuff to say thank you. Only 50,000 mile warranty on these tires. My gosh, dude. Even the Kia ones I just bought have a better warranty than that. Nearly 4,000 holders on Kendu. Very nice. Jotika. I like it, man. Kendu. A feature in the works. Not out yet. Shitoshi came out. Gotcha. Okay. Boston guy. Very good. So yeah, man, whatever information you guys want to get to everybody in here, make sure you get that information. Just please, in return, click the subscribe button. Get your name on the top of the screen. Appreciate all of the support from you guys coming in. And that's what it's about, man. That's what it's about. We can look at one project in here. We can look at 100 projects. 100 projects might be hard to do during an hour-long live stream, but support goes both ways. Support goes both ways, right? Crypto Rocketeer and Shamaree. Boom, baby. Dabbing on them as always. Crypto Rocketeer, I may have missed your chat earlier. I don't know if you answered or not, but I do hope that Shamaree is feeling a lot better today. And things are looking good. So if she's with you, man, Shamaree, I hope you're feeling better. If she's not with you right now, I still hope she's feeling better, man. I don't know. You're just going to have to tell her or something. I think it's her Kendu Kid. Absolutely. Boom, baby. Hey, Pudgy already knew what I was going to say before I said it, man. Got Ortex data. Do you? I don't have the Ortex data. If you have the Ortex data, let me know. Stonks Gaming and Videos. I do not have it, but you are more than welcome to share it with everybody in here. Kia can't go where my truck goes. Oh, my Kia can, dude. My Kia can. See, at this point in time, my Kia, it has been dented up by a tree. It has been through the thick of it. At this point in time, I can take my Kia anywhere your truck can go, and it will probably be just fine, Moji. I can take my Kia through a forest, and it's gonna look the same coming out as it does going in. So I'd beg to differ there, Moji. I'd beg to differ. Still in the hospital. Dang it, Crypto Rocketeer, man. Get that girl out of the hospital. Good afternoon and goodbye, Nick F. Guys, it is stump jumping, baby. Stump jumping. Hey, who needs a bumper, dude? Tear that thing off. Mirror's already busted. It's all good to go, dude. We'll be stump jumping. I didn't even know that was a thing, but I like it, Mo. 501, guys. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back tonight with videos. Please watch those videos. Like the videos. Use the affiliate links in the descriptions of those videos to help me out with the marketing company that does the pre-sale videos and all of that. Your guys' support is literally the only reason that I am able to do this. I know that. I hope that you know that I know that. But we'll do some shout-outs, guys, and we'll be back in a little while with those videos. And, of course, we'll be back tomorrow. So if you guys are brand new to the live stream, make sure to click the subscribe button, and we'll be back tomorrow at noon Eastern time. And I do hope to see every single one of you and even more here for that live stream as well. Kendu Crypto guys, see you later, man. Crypto Moji, Stonks Gaming, see you later. Crypto Rocketeer, I hope she does get better, man. I hope she makes it out of the hospital here very soon. Frank Fun Central, see you later. Delusional about crap coins. Bubbles can only last as long as the people have money. Considering rent and groceries are going up, people are having less and less money to pump into these things. Yeah, no, Fun Central, I don't think that that's a delusion. Right? I don't think that's a delusion. I think that you may have misunderstood something along the way, but I completely understand the speculative nature of these coins, which is why the bull market cycles always lead to bear market cycles. The money that you put in will be taken out by somebody else. So the delusion is all yours, my friend. Pudgy, see you later. Frank, see you later. Nigev, good morning and good afternoon and goodbye. Michael Lopez, have a great day, man. Gorilla, see you later. Moji, Che, Sakanaki, enjoy your afternoon. We got SD, man, later to you as well. Crypto Master, see you later. Fun Central, have a good one. We got Mats, Negative Man, Pudgy, Anthony, DD214, Moji, Kombu, Maurice, Crypto Master, Kombu, Smack, Fun Central. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.